My dear students, in my previous video I have discussed about determiners. Okay, now in this video I will discuss about articles. Okay, what are articles? A, N and the are called articles. Okay, here A and N are called indefinite articles because they do not point out any particular person or thing. Okay, A and N are called what? Indefinite articles. Why? Because they do not point out any particular person or thing. Now see the example. A book, that means what? Any book. Okay, an umbrella, that means what? Any umbrella. Here A or N not point out any book or any umbrella. Okay, indefinite articles use only before singular countable nouns. You have to remember, indefinite articles used only before singular countable nouns. Okay, the is called definite article. Okay, and because it points to some particular person or thing. Why the is called definite article? Because it points to some particular person or thing. Okay, example, the boy, that means what? The boy of whom we are speaking or who is known. Okay, the boy is meaning is the boy is what? To whom we are speaking. Okay, or who is known. Definite article can be used before singular or plural nouns, whether countable or uncountable. Okay, you have to remember, definite article can be used before singular or plural nouns, whether countable or uncountable. Okay, now let's see the uses of A. Where do we use A? Okay, article A. First of all, if the first letter of a word is consonant, then we'll use what? A. For example, a boy, a cow, etc. Okay, next, if the pronunciation of a vowel is like U, okay, then we'll place what? Article A. For example, a university, university, that U is pronunciation is what? U, so we are placing here A. Okay, number 3, if the pronunciations of the vowel U is like Wa, then we'll place before O, what would place? A. So examples, a 1 rupee note. Here one pronunciation is what? Wa. Okay, so we are placing before O what? A. Okay, another example, a one man show. Okay, etc. Now see the uses of N. If the first letter of a word is vowel, then we'll place what? Article N. For example, an elephant and umbrella. Okay, next, if there is a vowel sounding consonant, then we'll place article N. Now see the example, an MLA, MLA, MLA pronunciation is what? Vowel M, MLA, M pronunciation is what? Vowel, vowel sounding. Okay, so we are placing what? N. And NGU, if there is a silent H at the beginning of a word, then we will place before H what? N. For example, an hour, here in hour H is what? Silent. Okay, silent letter. Okay, that pronunciation is what? Hour, so we are placing N in hour. N, honest man. Okay, now see the other uses of A and N. Okay, now see, A or N is sometimes used before a noun to indicate a class. Okay, for example, a son should obey his father, and aunt is an industrious creature. Here son and aunt is what? Class. Okay, so to indicate the class we use sometimes what? A or N. A is used as a preposition. Okay, for example, he went a hunting. Here we are placing a hunting as a preposition. Okay, and that means what? He went on hunting. Okay, number 3, a is used in the sense of certain. Okay, for example, a Mr. Hazarika came to me. A is used in the sense of certain, that means once a group of family members. Okay, so a Mr. Hazarika came to me. Okay, a group of family members. Number 4, a and n are also used in a number of phrases. Example, in a temper, to have a cold, etc. Okay. Number 5, a is sometimes used to mean a single or any. Sometimes you use to mean a single or many. Okay. For example, there was not a man to support, though no one spoke a word against him. Okay, what example? There was not a man to support him, though no one spoke a word against him openly. Here using only the adjective, the article a used to mean the single persons. Okay. Number 6, a sometimes means one like. Okay, one like. He, for example, he thinks he is a Milton. He thinks he is a Milton. That is what one like sentence. Okay, a means what? One like. Okay. Number 7, a or an is also used in certain exclamatory beginning with what? Before singular countable nouns. Okay, it should be countable noun, and starting it will be start by what. Okay, so now see the example. What a pretty girl. Okay, starting with what, and pretty girl is, that is what, singular countable noun, so we are placing what? A. But see here, what pretty girls. Okay, we cannot put here in second sentence, we cannot put a, because the girls is pretty girls, that means what? Plural countable nouns. Okay, so we are not placing the a here. What an awful comments to make. Here awful comment, that is what? Singular countable noun, so we are placing here n. Okay. Number 8, a is used before other determinatives like few, little, lot of, etc. Okay, we can use sometimes a before determinants like few, little, lot of. Okay, a few, a little, a lot of, etc. Okay. Example, there is a little water in the jug. Here we are placing here a. Okay, a little water in the jug. Now uses of the. Number 1, to identify a known person or thing. To identify a known person or thing, that means what? You know the about the things or persons. Okay. Example, you may read the book. You know the book, so we are placing the article the before the things. Okay, nouns. You may read the book. Number 2, before a common noun in singular number to denote a species. Okay, before a common noun in singular number. Here see see the example. The dog is faithful animal. Okay, dog is what? Common noun, but here is what? Singular. So we are placing what? The. In second sentence, dogs are faithful animals. Here dogs are what? Plural common noun, but it is what? Plural number. Okay, so we are not placing here the. Okay. Next, number 3, before the names of famous historical events. Famous historical events, before the names of famous historical events, we place the what? The. For example, the French Revolution, the Great Wars. Okay. Next, number 4, the is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, groups of islands, mountains, ranges, ships, newspaper, etc. Okay. Now see the example. Name of river, the Ganga. Name of sea, the Red Sea. Name of ocean, the Indian Ocean. Name of island, the Andaman. Name of range, the Himalaya. Name of sea, the Titanic, the. Okay. Name of newspaper, the Assam Tribune. Here I am writing in mistakenly I am writing here name of ship, the Assam Tribune. This is not correct. Okay, that should be what? Only the Titanic. Okay. Number 5, the is used before the names of scriptures and epics. For example, scriptures what? Scriptures, the Vedas, the Purans, the Bible, the Quran. That is not Quran, that is what? Quran, the Quran. Okay. and epics, the Ramayana. Okay, but if the name of the author is used before the name of his book, article the is not used. If the name of the author is used before the name of his book, Ramayana, who wrote it? Valmiki. Okay, so we are placing the author Valmiki before the Ramayana. Okay, so here we will not use the. Okay, Valmiki's the Ramayana is not correct. Valmiki's Ramayana. Okay. Number 6, the is used before the names of countries, province or state having special significance. Okay, before names of countries, province or state, the USA, the UK, etc. The is used before the names of famous palace or buildings. Famous palace or buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Parliament House, etc. Okay. Number 8, the is used before the names of parties, communities, etc. Okay. For example, the Janata Party, the Vaishnava, etc. Okay. The Janata Party is what? Party, and the Vaishnava is what? Communities. Okay. Next, number 9, the is used before the names of nations. Okay. Example, the English, the French, the Japanese, etc. Okay. The Indian. Okay. Now you have to remember, if the word language is used after the names of any language, the is used. Okay. For example, the Assamese language. After Assamese, we are placing what language? So we will put the article the before the Assamese. Okay. So if the word language is used after the names of any language, the is used. The English language. Okay, etc. The is used before some unique things and before the names of the directions. Unique things and name of direction. Which are the unique things? The sun, the earth, the sky, etc. Okay, and direction, thus is the west, the north, the south, etc. Okay, the is used before the names of professions. Okay, any kind of professions, we place the before the professions. For example, he joined the bar, but he became a lawyer. Bar is what? Professions. Okay, so we are placing what? The before bar. The is used before an adjective used as noun. The is used before an adjective used as noun. Here now see the example. In number 12, the rich are not always happy. Rich is what? Adjective, but when you place the it is what? It works as a what? Noun. Okay. Number 13, the is used before an superlative degree of an adjective. In superlative degree, we use generally what? The before the superlative degree. For example, he is the best boy in the class. Best is what? Superlative degree, and we are placing before best, we place the. Okay. Number 12, the is used before a proper noun used as a common noun. Now see the example. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here proper noun is what? The is used before a proper noun. Actually, Shakespeare is what? Shakespeare is proper noun, but here we use as a common noun. So we place the before the proper noun. Okay, Kalidas. Number 15, the is used before the dates. For example, the 15th August, the 5th September, the 10th, the 26th January, etc. Okay. Next, the is used before an superlative degree of an adjective. Okay, we have already discussed this one, number 16 points. Okay, now we'll discuss about omission of articles. Omission means what? Where articles are not used. Okay, now see number 1, where articles are not used before a proper noun. We don't use article. Okay, for example, Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a big city. Incorrect. The Mumbai is a big city. This is not correct. Okay. Number 2, before a uncountable noun. Before a uncountable noun, we do not use article. Okay. For example, gold is a precious metal. Number 3, article is not used before father, mother, and baby. Okay. Number 4, before the names of lakes, cape, mountain, etc. We don't use article. For example, Lake Baikal, Cape of Good Hope, Mount Everest. Okay. Number 5, before the names of roads, disease, meals, days, months, and season, we don't use the articles before this. Okay. For example, college road, cholera, days, Sunday, Monday, January, monsoon. These are what? Okay. We don't use any article. Okay. Next, before the names of schools, college, etc., named after individuals. Okay, named after individual. If the name of school name after an individual, then we don't use any article. For example, Midul is a student of Lokopriya High School. The Lokopriya is what? A name of individuals. Okay, and the high school, the Lokopriya High School is what? Name of school. So we don't use any article here. Number 7, before the names of language and disciplines, we never use articles. For example, English is my favorite subject. Here, English is what? Language. Okay, so we don't use any article. Number 8, before news headlines and notice. Okay, for example, finance minister tables budget for next fiscal year. That is what? News headlines. And we don't use any article before the news headlines. Okay. Number 9, before the singular noun represent all the people or things belonging to that particular class. Okay. For example, man propose, God dispose. Okay. Number 10, before plural nouns representing the entire class. Before plural nouns representing the entire class. Now see the example. Scientists are known for their dedication to their research. Here scientists is what? Plural nouns, and scientists are representing all the scientists. Okay. Number 11, before one's relative. Okay. Before one's relative, we don't use articles. See the example. Uncle promised to get me a copy of the book. Which uncle? My uncle. Okay, so it is what? Relative, someone's relative. So we don't use any kind of article before uncle. Okay. Next, number 12, before a noun used as an apposition of a proper noun. Now see here example. Bhaskar Barma, king of Assam, was a great friend of Harsha. Okay, here king is what? Common noun. Okay, but we are placing what? A proper noun, Bhaskar Barma. So we don't use the any article before king. Okay, because king is what? Common noun, and it the Bhaskar Barma apposized by the king. Okay, so we are not using any kind of determiners. Okay. Next, number 13, before the name of a joint common noun. Okay, we don't use any article. Example, both husband and wife died of cholera. Here husband and wife is what? Joint common noun. Okay, husband and wife, that is what? Joint common noun. So we don't use any articles. Number 14, definite article is not used before a predicative superlative. We don't use the definite article what? The. Don't use before a predicative superlative. For example, wheat grows best in the Punjab. Wheat grows the best in the Punjab. This is not correct. Which will be correct? Wheat grows best in the Punjab. Number 15, before names of materials from which things are made. For example, this ring is made of gold. Gold is what? Is material, and from this material it's made what? Ring. Okay, so we don't use any determiners articles before gold. Okay.